it again. What is up, boys? Welcome back to another brand new video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make professional streams and videos. Well, I'm going to start out with the streaming part. So first, for your recorder, of course you need a recorder. You want to hit the GeForce Experience, I believe. Yeah, just want to search up GeForce Experience and then click this link right here. Then you wanna, I believe this is the right one. I do not know though. I believe this is. Alrighty, so I think this is the right one. So you wanna download it and then something like this will be on your computer. You wanna click on it, and then there you go. Your GeForce like app will open up, and then the next thing that you wanna do is you wanna go to your settings. Make sure your in-game overlays are on. And then after that, what you want to do is just close out of that. You want to hold Alt Z, and then something like this will come up. Alt, if you hold Alt Z. Now here is where you can record and stuff. I'm recording right now with this app, so I won't be able to show you guys. So you have the choice to turn your webcam on and your microphone, and then you can even go live on here, but because then I don't know how you're gonna get your overlays, but it's your choice. And your like alerts if someone subscribes to you on Twitch or something, or YouTube. So I would just prefer not using broadcasting for GeForce, but recording, you wanna use it. If you want to use screenshots for like mini videos for your YouTube channel, I would use that. But I will show you guys a quick shortcut of how to immediately start a video without coming here. You want to stay on this and head over to your settings. Go to keyboard shortcuts, and then you want to go down to record, and then for the total manual recording on and off save, you want to keep it Alt F9, because that's when you hold those two, you will start recording. So yeah, that's your recording software. Now you need a YouTube editing software. So for that, we're just gonna go back to Google, open a new browser or a new tab, and then and then I would prefer using Wondershare Filmora 9. So you wanna download it. If you use the buy now, I believe it'd give you like extra options, but I just use the free download. And then when you're done with that, there's gonna be an app with Wondershare Filmora X. Well, you could use 9 or X. I just use the X, but they're both basically the same. But the Filmora X has a little bit more options. So you just want to open your Filmora, which might take a while, at least. And here you go. Your Wondershare Filmora form, it's gonna open, and then what you want to do, first things first, is add your little I add these memes to my shared media file, so I don't have to keep re-uploading them. So I have my intro, my outro, my more Miko intro, link in the description below, to my second channel, and then some memes. I will show you guys how to make an intro right now, so I'm gonna play the clip, and yeah. Alrighty, so here is where I got my intro from. It's panzoid.com. So there's like intros you could like use. So I'll just use an example one. I'll use one of my old intros that I made. That I had, at least. One of my old intros. If you remember this one. This one. And you're gonna think, well, how do I change your name? You wanna head over to this 3D square thing. And then in the text, you just wanna type it down. So I'll just write Miko. And then you wanna like do all the text, or else it's gonna look pretty like bad. So as you see, the top one's done. Now I'm just gonna type in, I'll just do exclamation point. And then when you're done with the text, you could just quickly look at it, and there you go. You have your name. And this is where you could just, there we go. Then you just download it from here. And then I'll show you guys how to add it in. And you can make outros here. There's memes here. There's literally anything you could think of. Like, there's more intros. There's a outro right here. There's like literally whatever you can think of. So, now let's get back. I'll show you guys how to... I'll show you guys how to add them. So you want to go to your shared media file in your media. Go to import media files. And then from here you could pick, or wherever your downloads are, you can just pick wherever they are. The video, like I'll just do this one again. And then there we go. Hopefully that doesn't glitch Wondershare. Alrighty. So this is going to be your editing software. But after you got all your mini clips in, you might be thinking, well, how do I add my video that I made from GeForce? What you want to do is go to your project media folder in media. You want to import media files. And then you want to go over to your videos. And then it will be in desktop. I don't know which one, but I think it will be in desktop. I really don't know. But, because like I have a separate one like for Fortnite videos for some reason. I don't know why. And then you just want to click on your video and then it'll pop up. You just want to drag it down. And there you go. But you need a transition as well. So I use this transition, as you guys know, this one. That's my transition that I use. So after you got your video, all of your video stuff done, what you want to do is close out of Wondershare. And then this is like, you can use two things. You could use normal OBS Studio, which I won't be showing because I would say it's not that good. But the one that I use is Streamlabs OBS. Streamlabs OBS. You want to download it onto your computer. And then it's gonna come right there. You just want to open it. And then let it download, let it like pop up. You might have to like add your like Twitch channel, YouTube channel for streaming. So you guys can do that. And then you wanna, after you're done with all the normal settings, and it might ask you to like add your mic and stuff, but if it didn't, you wanna if it didn't make you like, if it didn't add your mic and like webcam, what you want to do is head over to your settings. You want to head over to, I believe, audio, and then you can pick which mic you use, and then wherever your, I don't know where the webcam is. It should be somewhere here. So yeah, it should be somewhere, webcam. And if you didn't get the thing like the connector, where you want to post your stream, you could go still in settings and then stream and then just connect whichever it is. I use Twitch, and then there you go. But then you want some like cool overlays like I have. Well, what I use, oh god, did my computer just glitched? Alrighty, I used Owned. Oh well, it's from Owned, but for some reason I found it in a free version from Discord. So I'll give you multiple choices of where you can find your packs. So this is the one that I used, but I found it in a free version with Discord. Oh wait, copyright. Thank God. So yeah, you can just go to Owned, and then this is the one that I use, Rodian, I believe. Rodan. And then you could test it like over here. You could just click it and then you could test it. As you see, it's pretty much like what I use, but this I don't use at all. Because it just gave me the overlays. So like this is the ending one that you guys know about. But if you buy it from the main website, you get like everything. So you get the desktop wallpaper, the YouTube banner, the Twitch profile picture, all the overlays, even the offline banner, and custom alerts. So you could get it from here, or the one that I used when I was a very extreme small streamer, didn't know how to stream. I used, actually I forgot. Gumroad.com/Gale level. That's what I used. There's like these animated ones. There's just like these normal picture ones. And then when you got your overlays, it like, I'll show you guys a quicker way to how to add all of them. So you want to go back to your settings, scene collection, import overlay file, and export it. Export the file so it like works, and then there you go. I have my Rodian. I exported it. Then just click the file, and then it will bring everything in. So I have a couple of them just in case if this one glitches out and doesn't work anymore. So I have a couple of them that I downloaded. This is like a Fortnite one. This is like a fire one, a lava one, and then the one that I use is normal Rodian. And yeah, you can edit you can add text, all that. And yeah, that's basically how you make a professional stream in YouTube videos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to follow my Twitch, Twitter, and go subscribe to my second channel, link in the description below. You can see like short mini clips of me doing dumb stuff, I guess. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye!